म्हणून गोंयचो वेस्ट प्रॉब्लम म्हाका दिसता इज नॉट अबाउट गार्बेज. इट इज अबाउट वॉट मायकल? इट इज अबाउट गव्हर्नन्स. It is about science and it is about the future of our state. It is not our waste problem is not about garbage. We have no governance. Governance has collapsed. You have got majority, still it has collapsed. Still there is a policy paralysis. There is no application of mind for science. Your budget for science is going down and the future of the state is doomed, Speaker Sir. Cutting the science and technology budget now is reckless. Speaker Sir, without capacity, without segregation, without innovation, we are standing knee deep in our own waste. आमी केल्ले आमच्याच घाणीन आमी अर्ध बुडपाचे उरले स्पीकर सर. If we want to save Goa, we must adopt scientifically proven methods, invest in decentralized systems, enforce segregation and integrate waste management into tourism policy. Speaker sir, as it stands, this demand is yet another example of style without substance. म्हळ्यार ते सेम हांव सांगता तेच पॅकेट ऑफ चिप्स. सामके ब्राइट पैकेजिंग, बिग प्रॉमिसेस, उगडे घाल जाल्यार मोस्टली इट इज एयर, वेरी लिटल सबस्टन्स. स्पीकर सर, गोवा डिजर्व्स मोर than air. Goa deserves action.